Hello, word warriors. Welcome back to Idioms Insight, the podcast where we make your words work harder, sharper, and, dare I say, way cooler. I'm your host, Yais, your friendly guide to all things language, and I'm pumped to be here with you today. Picture this. You're typing a text or an email, you hit send, and then you reread it and think, ugh, that sounds like a snooze fest. Sound familiar? Chances are the culprit is a little word that sneaks into our sentences like an uninvited guest. Very, very tired, very happy, very boring. It's like serving plain rice at a dinner party. Functional, but nobody's asking for seconds today. We're kicking very to the curb and unlocking a treasure chest of vibrant, precise alternatives that'll make your conversation sparkle, your writing pop, and your ex posts stand out. Whether you're crafting a killer work email, hyping up a weekend adventure, or just chatting with friends, this episode will arm you with words to sound sharper and more engaging. So grab a coffee, maybe a notebook, and let's dive into upgrading your vocabulary. Okay, let's get real for a second. Using very all the time is like wearing the same faded t-shirt every single day. It's fine, but it's not exactly turning heads or winning style awards. For example, imagine telling a friend, "The movie was very good." Total snooze, right? Now swap it for, "The movie was absolutely phenomenal." Suddenly they're leaning in, asking, "Whoa, what made it so great?" That's the power of a stronger vocabulary. It grabs attention and paints a vivid picture. So today I'm serving up 15 fantastic alternatives to very. For each one, I'll give you the vibe, a juicy example to bring it to life, and a tip on when to use it. And because I know you're busy, I've sprinkled in some humor, a couple of stories, and a midpoint recap to keep things lively. Ready to transform your sentences? Let's roll alternative one. Extremely, first up, extremely. This word is like cranking the volume to 11, bold, intense, and full of energy. For example, I was extremely exhausted after running a half marathon in the blazing sun. Can't you just feel the sweat dripping and the legs wobbling? Use extremely when you want to add drama without sounding like you're auditioning for a soap opera. It's perfect for everyday conversation or texts when you need a little extra punch. Alternative 2, highly next, we've got highly, your VIP pass to professional vibes. This one's perfect for work emails, presentations, or when you want to sound polished. Instead of saying, "The team is very motivated," try, "The team is highly motivated to crush this project deadline." It's crisp, it's competent. It's like you're ready to run a boardroom. Pro tip, pair highly with words like effective, skilled, or regarded for that extra CEO energy. Alternative 3. Remarkably now, let's talk remarkably. This word is like a neon sign that says, "Pay attention. This is special." Picture this. Her artwork was remarkably innovative, blending colors in ways I'd never seen. Doesn't that make you want to rush to an art gallery? Use remarkably when you want to spotlight something unique or impressive, like a standout moment or achievement. Alternative 4. Exceptionally, here's a gem. Exceptionally. This one screams, this is above the norm. Instead of, "The food was very good," say, "The sushi was exceptionally fresh, like it was caught that morning." Okay, now I'm craving sushi. This word is gold for reviews, recommendations, or when you're raving about quality. It's like giving a 5-star rating with words. Alternative 5. Incredibly, for a burst of energy, go with incredibly. This word is all about awe and excitement. For example, the concert was incredibly electrifying. The crowd was on fire. You can practically hear the bass thumping, right? Use incredibly in casual chats, storytelling, or those hyped-up posts when you want to share your enthusiasm. You know, I used to be a very addict myself. I'd write emails like, "This is very important. I'm very excited." Then a colleague called me out. She said, "Guys, your emails read like a robot wrote them." That was my wake-up call. I started swapping in words like incredibly and highly, and suddenly my emails got replies like, "Wow, you sound so passionate." Moral of the story? Ditch very, and people notice alternative